Mrs. Camille D.G. Labamba. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat, mga Monlimarian, fellow supportive parents, guardian, and school administrators. Ngayong araw ay isang napaka-espesyal na okasyon, hindi lang para sa ating mga anak, kundi para rin sa ating mga magulang, guro, at lahat ng sumusuporta sa kanila. This recognition is proof of their hard work and determination to face every challenge in their studies. Una sa lahat, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa ating MDA administrators. Isang karangalan po ang makaakyat sa entabladong ito at makapahayag sa tema Empowered for Greatness, Honoring Monlimarian Excellence through Competence, Resilience, Respect, and Service. Ito ay isang malaking karangalan na alam ko lahat ng magulang na naririto ay nais ding maranasan. A big thank you to our founder and chairwoman, Ma'am Lilian Roldan, to our school chairman, Mr. Mario Roldan, for your dedication and effort to have a wonderful and well-organized school. Because of your leadership and care, we have a safe, orderly, and uninspiring learning environment. To our school principal, president, Mr. Michael Roldan, and the School Vice President, Ma'am Julia Villanueva, for your continued leadership and dedication to maintain order and good running of the school. We truly appreciate all of your efforts. Many thanks to our school director, Mr. Alexander Ignacio, our school principal and head of the academic services, Mr. Ronald Borbon, and to our school vice principal, Ms. Rachel Soreliano, for your tireless dedication and effort to ensure the smooth running of our school. Your leadership, care, and guidance create a nurturing environment where student and teacher continue to thrive. Your impact on our school is truly immeasurable. Many thanks to our perfect of discipline, Mr. Paul Tinonga, and guidance advocate, Mrs. Gladys De Leon, for your continued guidance and effort in helping students become the best version of themselves. Another big thank you to our head of elementary department, Ms. Bia Maglagnit, for your support and dedication in teaching the pupils not just in academics, but also about good behavior. To my daughter's advisor, Mr. Rodel Logronio, thank you for your advice and your effort in encouraging the children in extracurricular activities. Lubos din po kami nagpapasalamat sa ating mga teachers, MDA admins, and the school staff members sa paggabay nyo sa aming mga anak, hindi lamang sa akademya, kundi maging sa buhay at pagiging mabuting bata. Alam namin na hindi madali ang mga trabaho nyo. Pero dahil sa inyo, natuto silang mangarap ng mas malaki at magsumikap araw-araw. Salamat din sa inyong pasensya, pagmamahal at dedikasyon sa pagtuturo. At sa kapwa akong magulang na masigasig na sumusuporta sa kanilang mga anak, congratulations din sa atin. Alam natin kung gaano kahirap minsan gumising ng mas maaga para maghanda para sa kanila. Patuloy na nagpapaalala sa kanila na mag-aral at unawain ang kanilang stress at pagkabigo. Pero ngayon, nakikita na natin na sulit ang lahat ng ating pagsisikap at sakripisyo para sa kanila. Huwag tayong magsawang gabayan, suportahan, at iparamdam sa kanila kung gaano natin sila kamahal. Patuloy tayong maging inspirasyon sa bawat hakbang na ating binibitawan para sa ating mga anak. Mabuhay tayong mga magulang. Mabuhay ang ating pagmamahal at pag-aaruga sa ating mga anak. At para sa aming mga anak, congratulations! We are so proud of you. We have seen your efforts, the sleepless nights reviewing for exam, the stress and the pressure, and the days when you felt tired but still choose to keep going. Now, here you are, standing before us as proof that all your sacrifice and hardship have paid off. To my daughter, Ayesha Colleen, congratulations! At nagpapasalamat ako dahil pinahahalagahan mo ang bawat effort namin ng PAPSI. Lagi ko sinasabi sa iyo, kada sasali ka sa extracurricular activities, manalo matalo, okay lang, experience at enjoyin ang laban. At kada may bumababa ka na marka at exam, nalulungkot ka at sinasabi ko sa iyo, okay lang. Pero pinamamangha mo kami dahil sa kabila ng kaba, puyat sa pagre-review mo at hirap sa paghahanap ng mga isusuot at gagamitin mo, so kapalit nun ay tagumpay. Remember that this is just the beginning of your journey. There will be more challenges ahead, but don't be afraid. We will always be here, proud of you and ready to support you no matter what life takes you. Again, congratulations to all parents, guardians, and especially to our achievers. I hope that more students of Molimar Development Academy become resilient, competent, respectful, and serve with purpose. Thank you so much and be happy.
Thank you, Mrs. Nabamba.